Let's go.
I'm so hot. That's why I'm wearing my glasses. So
Okay.
bye.
आजको वेदर यस्तो राम्रो वेदर फोरकास्ट अनुसार त यो हप्ता ह्युमिड छ भन्दैछ आजको टेम्परेचर 28 हरे लाग्यो 28 यस्तो मजा आएको हेर त क्या दामी छ होला कहाँ तिमी के पानी छोडिसार्नु You want to feel water? Let's go down. Let's go. Yeah. Let's say it.
Hello everyone. We're going to the water so I can feel it.
Perfect. There we go.
Oh no.
Look, what are these?
They're like maybe ducks.
Duck one, yeah. Oh. No, एकदम राम्रो छ एकदम जाउँ सानो राम्रो छ नि सानो दिन होइन है क्या मजाको दिन अस्ति पालि मिस भयो है वेदर होइन ठाउँ पनि है आज त सही भयो
I need to tell them something. Today, my name is Pihu, and we're going to the water. It's really nice and bright
Yeah.
today, and the sun is right there.
Right.
I have my glasses, and we forgot to put my sunscreen.
It's okay because we forgot to bring
Yeah.
it.
And I'm going to feel the water in my hand and see the ducks. They're so cute.
They are Pihu's friend. No, go, do you want to feel the water? Let's go down. You can feel here. Yeah.
See everyone? I'm feeling it.
How is it? Is it warm or cold?
It's a little cold.
Really cold, is it?
A little bit.
Yeah. Let's. Oh, look at the. Sunny, do you want to swim? Let's go. You and me, we will swim.
Are you serious? Swim?
Yeah. Let's do it.
In?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to get my clothes dirty.
No, we'll take clothes off and then we swim.
No, well, I will never do that.
अब हामी चाहिँ क्रुजको लागि टिकट कता काट्ने भनेर खोज्दैछौँ हेरौँ अब क्रुजको टिकटहरू कहाँ पाउँछ यही छ दिन चाहिँ बब्बालै छ है त क्रुजको लागि टिकट काट्नको लागि ठाउँ आइपुग्यो यहाँ चाहिँ रहेछ क्रुजको लागि अब टिकट काट्ने ठाउँ सानो टिकट काट्ने ठाउँ देख्यौ पे अन बोर्ड ए ल हामी अब यहीँ वेट गर्ने नि त ल क्रियस उतै पैसा त यहाँ तिर्ने जस्तो उतैभित्रको मान्छे कोहीले चाहिँ पहिल्यै बुकिङ गरेर टिकट काटिसकेर आएको रहेछ हामी चाहिँ अब यहीँ आएर तिरिन्छ Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the boat is gonna move.
Yeah. बोटभित्रै मामी यहाँ पहिला पैसा तिर्नलाई तयार भएर बसिरहेको छ रेगुलेट गर्दा नि हुँदो रहेछ रेगुलेट गर्नु खोज्दैछ यस्तो बाहिर चाहिँ पछाडिको भाग मजा पछाडिको भाग यस्तो मजाको भ्यू वा यस्तो दामी Oh yes, now it's moving. Yeah. आजको केरीको सानो टुर फेरि तिमीलाई चाहिँ जानु मन लागेर आएको होइन हामी हाम्रो अस्ति आउँदा यो अस्ति के अरे आउँदा यो मिस भयो अस्ति आउँदा हाम्रो यो मिस भयो घाम लागेको बेला आउनु पर्दो रहेछ त्यही क्या राम्रो चाहिँ पछाडि के अरे अस्ति यो हामी 2 महिना अगाडि अप्रिलमा आएको थिएँ अप्रिलमा आउँदा चाहिँ रिङ अफ केरी गरियो अनि रिङ अफ केरी अनि हामी कहाँको कुराहरूको जस मेरो योभन्दा पहिलाको भिडियो हेर्नु पनि त्यहाँ देख्नुहुन्छ कहाँ कहाँ गयो भनेर अनि त्यो बेला चाहिँ हाम्रो यो पार्ट छुट्यो त्यो बेला यो गर्ने भनेर आएको त्यो बेला भ्याएन हाम्रो छुटेको थियो अनि आज फेरि यसो सानो ब्रेक लिउँ भनेर हामी 3 जना आएको
So good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard the Pride of the Lakes. My name is Brian, and on today's trip we're cruising on Clark's Lower Lake, called the Lower Lake or Lockheed, passing by it in just a few minutes. And we're going down then by the mountains over there to our left, down by the Muckross Peninsula and back into the bay here, roughly about an hour's time or so. So before we set off, I noticed you're all looking very worried. There's no need to look so worried as we have a very good safety record on board this boat, and we haven't had a serious accident for over 2 weeks. So you can sit back and relax, alright? So to our right is Ross Castle. Now Ross Castle is a 15th century castle. It was built in the 1420s, and it was one of the very last castles in Ireland to fall to Oliver Cromwell's forces back in 1652. That's the year it fell. And I'll speak about that on the way back in.
पालि अब हामी आउँदा यो यसको उतापट्टि चाहिँ हर्स गरेको थिएँ जुन योभन्दा पहिलाको भिडियोमा मैले राखेको छु त्यहाँबाट हामी गएर उता माथि यहाँबाट आएको होला हाम्रो स्टार्टिङ पोइन्ट हामी चाहिँ पछाडि अगाडि आएको छ छोरी पछाडि मजा गर्दैछ सानो के लाइक इट या मम्मी रमाइलो भयो आज हामी त कुन्टुले सही इन्जोय गर्यो ल मजाले आरामले बसेछ तिमी बस्नु तिमी जाउँ बस्नु
They also own a crane factory on the shoreline over there, which gives big employment to the Killarney area. They employ over 2,500 people from Killarney actually, but the hotel itself is probably the 18-hole golf course is over there, and the Irish Open has been held in the Killeen course, which is the championship course, on 4 different occasions, the last time being in 2011. So it hasn't been held in Killarney for some time actually. So these two wooden islands, a population of about 40 of the Japanese Sika deer out at the island, and people often ask us, well, how do the deer get out there? Well, there's only one way they can, and that's by swimming from the mainland. They're very strong swimmers, the deer, so they swim from the mainland to our left, out onto the mountain, 2 peaks off to the right there called Tones. Again, all mountains of the highest mountain range in Ireland.
Sanu, do you like it? Yeah? What do you like? Huh? यो बिचमा टापु रहेछ क्या मजा आएको है यो टापु बिचमा टापु रहेछ सानो सानो टापुहरू कति धेरै के हेरेन उ त्यो पनि टापु हो होइन कुनाहरू यिनीहरू ए यहाँ बिच बिचमा झारिदिँदो रहेछ है बिच बिच टापुमा पनि झारिदिँदो रहेछ यसो घुम्नको लागि आज दिन घमाइलो भएर दिन पनि कति रमाइलो भएको होइन
And you do need a license to fish for the salmon on these lakes. The season runs from January up until October, and it costs €64 for the license over the course of the season. Isn't too bad. The next most popular fish in the lake then would be the brown trout. And there's lots of trout on the lake. There's usually a trout fishing competition every Sunday actually. But you don't need a license to fish for the trout, and you can fish them more or less freely if you want to this year now. So the water's quite deep out here where we are at the moment.
The sun is shining, the water is flowing, and I'm relaxing.
Wow, that's nice.
Hello everyone, Terry don't miss this
In August of
adventure
1861, she came in a state
very
business and was
cool,
brought in
and
as a decorative
you get to
flower
go to
farmer.
boat
They're trying to
riding,
get rid of it since with how much
and we see
it's
a
after
lot
growing
of
inside here now. What did you do?
Sani आज पुरा क्याप्टेन भएको छ है क्याप्टेन भएर सी इज राइडिङ ए बोट सानो you know how to ride boat? What are you doing? Huh? Riding what? Riding what? Boat, yeah. Are you enjoying it? Do you like? Look at that. So that will be a good experience for her. Is that a horn, is it? Look at me.
Scenic, there's lots of high points and low points, and a lot of the non-native trees and plants are on Ross Island over there actually, so it's quite a nice walk. Again, if you're looking to kill a bit of time, to access that walk, if you just go to the front of the castle, first of all, you can
It's a very good experience,
I agree.
and I really love it. Wow, what a sun!
Yeah.
Wow, what a big show today!
Sani, कस्तो भयो?
Good!
सही राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स भएन तर 40 एउटा वर्थ थियो होइन त्यही त है त्यही त राम्रो दिन भयो भने त जे गरे पनि रमाइलो ल त्यही हो राम्रो दिन भयो भने चाहिँ जे गरे पनि रमाइलो हुन्छ आज हाम्रो यो के अरे क्रुजको टुर सही रमाइलो भयो पुन्टुमा आएर धरि सही रमाइलो गऱ्यो मजाले के अरे चलाउन दियो अनि यस्तो अनडन बिजनेस आज लास्ट पालि तिमीलाई अस्ति लास्ट पालि तिमीलाई गरी मन थियो नि त यो के अरे क्रुज होइन अनि हामीले टाइम भ्याएन नि फेरि वेदर पनि त्यति साह्रो राम्रो थिएन है यो चाहिँ क्यासल यो चाहिँ सन
Can you take my picture? One more. Mommy, we're going there.
यो चाहिँ क्यासल क्यासल चाहिँ मजाको क्यासल जति राम्रो भएर मजाको ल यहाँबाट त्यो के अरे के भन्छ त्यसलाई त्यो गोले हान्ने होइन के अरे क्यान त्यो के अरे ऊ पड्काउनलाई त्यहाँ रहेछ मजाको रहेछ है राम्रो मन पऱ्यो घाम भयो लागेको भएर चाहिँ कस्तो राम्रो भएको है धन्न हामी यहाँ आइएछ आज के होस् It's yours as usual. Is it yummy, Sanu?
Yeah.
ल हाम्रो केरीको ट्रिपमा चाहिँ के अरे खाना जाऊँ भनेको म्याकडल खाइसक्यो रेस्टुरेन्टतिर जाने यस्तो गर्मीमा तातो के खाने भनेर आज के अरे कोल्ड स्यान्डविच
And ice pop here.
Ice pop here.
And Doritos.
Oh, yeah, you say.
Chips. Yummy.
Coconut water.
coconut water.
Yeah, coconut. No, it's a coconut water.
Coconut
Melon.
water.
Cold coconut water.
Mhm.
It's really good. It's really yummy, isn't it, Sunny?
Yeah, guys, we'll have dinner at home.
Yeah,
And we're gonna have a dinner at home.
that's right.
And यो barbecue chicken. यो चाहिँ प्रियाको फेभरेट है सानी
हो
हामी जमानादेखि त तिमी प्रेग्नेन्ट हुन्थ्यो पनि यही खान्थ्यौ नि जहिले होइन
हो
अनि यो and then another favorite is
chicken stuffing.
and another chicken stuffing. Well,
She
dinner सधैँ
loves chicken stuffing.
yeah mommy's favorite. Yeah? अनि Pihu's favorite.
Is
So what's your favorite? Tell her.
ham and cheese sandwich.
And Pihu's favorite ham and cheese. Sweet. And then
Ham and cheese sandwich.
mm-hmm.
So at the top it says ham and cheese sandwich.
This side mo lang.
It's my favorite. Tell me if you guys like ham and cheese sandwich.
I do.
I don't like.
My mom hates it.
I only like chicken sandwich.
How rude.
कस्तो
किन रुड्ने
खायो पियो
No.
छिटो खाऊ अब जानुपर्छ स्यान्डविच त्यही साइडमा राख ल त्यही राख्नु पर्ला
कोनाबाट भने
यो नि मिठो है
समिरो
आनन्द आउने
Mm.
बन्द गर
Papa,
Yeah.
guess what? Do you know in the park here?
Mhm.
Mama, Papa, guess what?
Mhm.
Papa, when you were calling someone, there was this small girl saying, "Hey, give me the zip line. I want to use it."
Did she say that? I didn't hear it.
No, you were calling.
Oh yeah, and
And then I said, "Would you wait my turn now, please?" And then she said, "No, you can do it."
who said that?
Like that girl.
Did she?
Yeah, she did.
And then I didn't hear that.
You were calling.
I was calling what?
You're talking with someone on the call.
Oh, right. I was in a phone. Okay. And then what did you say to her?
I said, "It's my turn." And I forgot what I said.
You say it's my turn, did you? Yeah? राइट ल हाम्रो अब केरीको सानो आजको ट्रिप सकियो अब हामी घरतिर फर्किने होइन सानो के अब कहाँ जाने र सानो हामी अब
I'm going back home.
Yep. Let's rock and roll.
And guess what? We went to boat ride.
Oh yeah. We have that video.
अब एकछिन रिल्याक्स गर्न तिमीलाई लेट्स प्ले क्वाइट गेम नाउ
पुरा बाटो बनाउँदै रहेछ आज त जस सही जाम भइरहेको छ है अघि नै धन्न हामीले अहिले त्यो अर्कै बाटो आएको अहिले त्यो जस मेन रोड ल्याइरहेको छ होइन
क्वाइट गेम नाउ क्वाइट गेम 1 2 3 go